Okay, for find the derivative of this, I'm going to use a product rule. And this will be P, and this will be Q. So P prime, derivative of x squared is 2x, minus, and derivative of 9.44x, you just drop the x off. So we've got 9.44, and 23 drops away. For Q prime, the derivative of that, the x squared becomes 2x minus 2.19. Same rationale as this one. Now we got P prime Q plus P Q prime. So my 0.317 just stays out in front. I'm going to put a bracket here because that has to be multiplied times everything. So P prime was 2x minus 9.44 times Q, which is x squared minus 2.19x plus 2.27, plus P, which is x squared minus 9.44x plus 23, times Q prime, which is 2x minus 2.19. Now, I don't remember. Okay, they're not asking us to actually simplify this. So since we're going to plug in numbers anyway, you can leave it in this form. Now let me show you one little trick that helps on these to simplify them. And instead of typing it directly into my calculator portion, I'll go to my graphing portion. So I'll go to y equals, and I'm going to type in all this on one part here. So 0.317. Now for the bracket, I'll put just a parentheses. So that's that parentheses. So then parentheses 2x minus 9.44, closing parentheses, beginning parentheses, x squared minus 2.19x plus 2.27, closing parentheses. I'm typing it exactly as I see it. So plus beginning parentheses, x squared minus 9.44x plus 23, closing parentheses, beginning parentheses, 2x minus 2.19. Now at the very end, you don't have to put your closing parentheses. They don't hurt anything, but you don't have to put them. Let me just double check myself real quick. 2x minus 9.4, x squared minus 2.19 plus 2.27 plus x squared minus 9 plus 23, 2x. Okay. Now I'm going to set my table settings up. If I do second and then window, you want your independent to say ask. If it doesn't say ask, you down arrow to that line, right arrow, and with your flashing cursor on the ask, you press enter one time. And you should see the highlighting change to this. Now we're going to go to the table. So if I do second graph, you probably won't have any numbers here. This is from previous problem. But we're wanting to evaluate for 4 and 7. So if I put 4 in and 7, then I get these. Now to see more decimal places, if you go to right arrow and then up arrow, you'll see a lot more than what's displayed. But this particular problem says, what does it say? Round your answer to 2 decimal places. So this one here, since this is a 7, we round up, so that becomes a 6. So that's where the negative 2.06 comes from. For this one, to 2 decimal places, since this is 5 or greater, I round up, and that's a 2. So that's where we get 74.12. And that's how you can use your calculator to very quickly plug in these values. Basically allows you to evaluate a function with numbers.